Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on using Apache Spark with Java. Today, we'll be diving into the fundamentals of Apache Spark, how to set it up, and how to use it effectively in your Java applications. Let's start with a brief introduction to Apache Spark. Apache Spark is an open-source distributed computing system that provides an interface for programming entire clusters with implicit data parallelism and fault tolerance. Spark is known for its speed and ease of use. Before we dive into coding, we need to set up our environment. Make sure you have Java Development Kit, JDK, installed. You can verify your installation by running the Java version command in your terminal. Next, download Apache Spark from the official website. Choose the version that best suits your OS and follow the installation instructions provided there. Once downloaded, unpack the Spark tarball into a directory of your choice. After installation, set your environment variables. Depending on your OS, you usually need to set spark_home and add it to your path. Open your terminal and type. Now, let's create a new Maven project for our Java application. In your terminal, execute. This command will create a new Maven project in a folder named Spark Java Example. Next, we'll add the necessary dependencies for Apache Spark in our pom.xml. Open the pom.xml file and add the following lines. After adding the dependencies, run mvn clean install in the terminal to download all required libraries and build the project. Let's create a basic Spark application. Open src/main/java/com/example/app.java and replace its content with the following code. This code initializes a Spark session and creates a data frame from a CSV file. You will need to replace path/to/data.csv with the actual path to your CSV file. In this example, we're using the DataFrame API to read the CSV data and display it using the show method. To run your application, execute the following command in your terminal. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the contents of the CSV file displayed in your terminal. This demonstrates how to read data in Spark using Java. Now that we have read data into our application, let's perform some basic transformations. For example, we can filter the data based on certain criteria. In our main method, after reading the CSV, add the following code. This code filters the data frame to only include rows where column name matches criteria. Remember to replace column name and criteria with actual column names and filter criteria relevant to your dataset. Next, we can aggregate our data. Let's say we want to group our data by a particular column and count the occurrences. Following the filter operation, add. In this code, group column should be replaced with the column you want to group by. The count function counts the number of occurrences of each unique value in that column. Now, let's look at how to save our final data frame to a new CSV file. To do this, we will use the write method provided by the DataFrame class. At the end of your main method, add the following code. Ensure to replace path/to/output.csv with your intended output path. This saves the aggregated data frame to a new CSV file. Let's now run the application again using the same command as before. After execution, check the designated output directory for your new CSV file with the aggregated results. To summarize, in this tutorial you have learned how to set up Apache Spark with Java, read CSV data into a data frame, perform transformations like filtering and grouping, and write the final results to a CSV file. Those are the basics of using Apache Spark with Java. This powerful framework can process large datasets efficiently and, combined with Java, allows for a statically typed programming experience. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to learn more, consider subscribing and leaving a comment below with suggestions for future tutorials. Thank you for watching.